In cable assembly design, small mistakes can lead to big issues. Avoiding common pitfalls is crucial for creating reliable, high-quality cables that stand the test of time. First, engineers must thoroughly evaluate the application's requirements, considering electrical, mechanical, and environmental factors. Choosing the wrong wire gauge or terminal size can cause overheating and system failures. Also, hyper-specifying dimensions can inflate costs without performance benefits. Instead of brand allegiance, specify wire characteristics to allow for flexible sourcing and better pricing. Overly complex multi-conductor designs can complicate manufacturing. Simplifying these designs by identifying the minimal necessary conductors helps reduce costs and eases future modifications. Ensure connectors match the cable's design and environmental needs. Standardized connectors facilitate repairs and replacements, enhancing the cable's usability and reliability. Comprehensive testing is vital. Conduct electrical, mechanical, and environmental tests to identify and address vulnerabilities before deployment. Avoid these mistakes to create adaptable, durable cable designs. For expert custom cable solutions, contact Circuit Assembly. Like and subscribe for more insights.